In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a spreadsheet. If you want to delete an entire spreadsheet file, you need to go to File, Move to Trash. It will immediately move it to the trash, but you can take a moment and take it out of the trash. If you click Take Out of Trash, it will restore that file immediately. However, it is already deleted, and it does say here, will be deleted forever after 30 days. If this file is shared, contributors can still make a copy of it until it is permanently deleted. So for 30 days, it's not permanently deleted. It is in your trash, and other people who have been shared it can still make a copy. But if you want to access this file, you need to take it out of the trash. If you do not choose to take it out of the trash immediately, if you go to Sheets Home or click anywhere else, you can access your trash by going to your Google Drive and on the left-hand side, clicking Trash. And here is your trash and the spreadsheet that you deleted. You can go over to the spreadsheet you want to restore if you want to restore it and click the three buttons. And here we have two options. We have the option to restore, so we can actually move that out of the trash, or we can also delete forever. Another way to delete forever is if you want to do it in bulk, click Empty Trash up here on the top right. Once we click Empty Trash, it will be deleted permanently. If we choose not to delete it permanently, it will be deleted after 30 days. If you select the sheet, it says when selected, we can either restore from trash here with this icon, it's like a circle with an arrow, or delete forever with this trash can with an X on it. If we're searching for spreadsheet itself, we won't be able to find it in our drive if it's already in the trash. In order to find files in the trash, you need to go up to the advanced search button, click advanced search, and in location, click in trash. Click search, and now we can find that spreadsheet. Here we're able to open it, rename it. We can get the file location, which is in our trash, and that redirects us to our trash. When we delete forever, it will ask us, delete forever, question mark, how to delete the spreadsheet will be deleted forever, and you won't be able to restore it. You can cancel at this moment, or you can click delete forever. And if there's nothing in your trash, it'll tell you there's nothing in your trash.